Actually, you guys know that I am from India, right? Let's say I'm typing for what is my IP. If you observe, here it is showing my IP address is 198.16.66.140. Yes or no? Here I'm teaching you the how to maintain the anonymity as well. If you scroll down, you can see what is my location here.
The United States.
So that is one thing. So here I am masking my address. Okay, this is what the hackers will do. Because being the security experts, you need to know all the things. Okay, you need to know all the things. That is the reason I was showing. So for that, what I have done is, so here it has shown United States. Okay, that is fine. But let me check whether it was really this IP belongs to the United States or not. Already you people know about IP2 location. So here I am going to the IP2 location, and now I'm going to try demo. And now if you observe, this is my IP address, right? You can check it here, 198.16.66.140 and 198.16.66.140. And you can see the IP address is from the Netherlands and Nord Holland, city Amsterdam. Okay. And you can check the date and time. Okay. Here it is showing the location related information. So for that, what I have done is like here, I have used a VPN and here I have connected to the Netherlands station. Okay. The thing is like if you are using it in the organizations now, actually VPN stands for the virtual private network. It is going to create a private network for us, okay, where we can able to connect to that network to make our work in a more secure way. Okay, that is the main purpose of using the VPNs. Okay, but whenever you connect to VPN now, you will get that VPN IP address rather than your IP address. Okay, so here these VPNs we used to mask our IP address, whereas coming to the organizations now, in the organizations we will set up the VPN to have the secure connection where we are not going to connect with the external network. We are going to create our own network where all the employees were being connected to the same network, so that we can able to maintain some restrictions and maintain the privacy for the networks in the organization. That is different scenario and this is different scenario. We can use it in both ways. Okay, see, coming to the TOR, actually using the VPNs you are unable to open the .onion sites. Okay, coming to the web technologies, we are having different layers of the webs. Okay, the one is surface web, the web which we are using now, using the Chrome, using the Firefox, using the Opera Mini, we can able to get access to the information that were available in the surface web. Okay, so here the information what we are getting on the surface web is almost up to 7 percentage only. Out of 100% is almost about 7 percentage or 5 percentage. Okay, so
Okay.
whenever you type anything in the Google, will you be able to get the answer or not?
Google provides.
Yes, Google provides. So no matter whatever we type, Google provide the information. Even they provide information to every question by us, but it is only the 5% to 7% of the internet only. That means see how much information we are having in the internet. If it is 100%, there is a huge to know. Okay, but to get access to that information, actually there are two other layers of the web. One is the deep web and the other one is the dark web. Okay, so if you want to connect to the dark web, there we need to use some different search engines like Tor browser or Torch, that is one browser, and there are some other browsers. Okay, something like DuckDuckGo. Okay, using these services we can able to connect with the dark web as well. Okay, so in this dark web, the specialty of the dark web is like we can able to connect with the pages which are like .onion sites. Here we can see .com, .in, .org, right? If
Uh-huh.
you want to open the .onion sites, it is not possible with the normal search engines like Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge, Opera Mini, these services. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
for that reason, we are using the Tor browser to get access from them. Okay, .onion sites. Okay, whenever you want to connect with the dark web now, you need to use the special search engines as I told you. The one is Tor browser, most famous one which is used by the many people. In this Tor browser, whenever you are connecting to the dark web or deep web, okay, your IP will location will be changing from multiple regions. Okay, here using the VPN you can able to mask only one IP address, right? But whereas you are using the Tor, your IP will be changes from 4 to 5 IP addresses. Okay, so whenever you are connected to the Tor browser now, what it will happen is like the name why they have given the Tor is like the onion routing. The full name of the Tor is. And if you observe the logo, the O it was looking like onion. You know the onion, right? So the reason for choosing this onion logo is, if you peel the onion, we will be having the many layers, right? In the same way, whenever you connect to the Tor browser now, so if you observe this image, your communication, your browsing communication will be sent from different regions, okay, not from the same location, from you to the receiver. In between, it will be reaches to multiple points and multiple nodes. From there, it will be reaching to the receiver, okay. First thing, whenever you are browsing anything in the Tor browser, all your data will be encrypted, okay. So here consider you are the Tor client, okay. You have connected from here. This green color line indicates that your data has been encrypted by the Tor browser, okay. First it reaches to the another network, from there it reaches to the next network, and from there it reaches to the network, okay. And then after it will reaches to the destination, and when it is reaching to the destination now, there the data is being decrypted, okay, not encrypted. It will be in the form of plain text, and it reaches to the destination so that they can able to see what is your request, okay. So here your IP address is changing from different points, okay. That is the reason it is having the onion symbol, like layer to layer your IP address is masking, okay. This is the default feature that was there in the Tor browser. This is how they have implemented this browser, but this functionality was not there in other search engines. So it is not possible in the Chrome or like Firefox or other things, okay. Over there we need to install the VPNs. Just now I shown you na, in the same way either you need to use the VPN or you need to use the proxies, okay.